Hey everybody, this is a real quick video in case you have a Panasonic Lumix DMC-FZ2500 digital camera and you need to do a factory reset back to the factory default settings on it. Now you're going to want to do this for one of two reasons. The first one is troubleshooting. If this camera is not working for some reason, especially like if it's not connecting to your Bluetooth or your camera or to your Wi-Fi or anything like that, this factory reset can fix a lot of these issues. The second reason is, there's a ton of settings on here and you can try to change them all manually or whatever, but if you're all jumbled up, you just want to get a fresh start, get everything back to the way it was when it came out of the box, we can do that super simply with just a couple of button pushes here. We're just going to come in with the camera on and hit the menu set button here to open the menu. And from there, we're just going to navigate to the setup wrench icon option, setup wrench icon, submenu, and then from that submenu, we'll select reset. All there is to it. Menu, setup wrench icon, submenu, reset. And from there, you'll be able to just factory reset everything back to the way it was when it came out of the box.